Hi kids, welcome to the class. Let's learn how to write the letter S. To write uppercase S or big S, start at the top and go down and around to the bottom. Let's try it again. Down and around to the bottom. That's the letter S. Now why don't you try? Great job! Now we're going to write the lowercase s or small s. Start in the middle and go down and around to the bottom. Let's try it again. Down and around to the bottom. Excellent! Now check if you did it right. Well done! Now you know how to write the letter S. Next, let's see what words start with the letter S. S for snail. S for sun. S for spoon. Say it again with me. Snail, sun, spoon. Good job! For our next video on how to write the letter T, please subscribe to EllieFun.